Hey, this is JT Von Linden, President of ARM US. I want to show you guys some alternatives to DJI for two reasons. One, we're having issues getting DJI through US Customs, as well as some of you are having issues using DJI altogether. So let's address the first one, customs issue. There's a lot going on in the news. I'm sure you're all reading it. We'll leave it at that. The fact is, we don't know when this is going to be resolved. There are very little DJI products in the United States right now. Most stocks have been depleted. So if you need anything before the end of the year and you have budget, you're probably going to have to look for an alternative to this. We really don't know when that's going to happen. We are pushing hard with DJI, with the everything. We're trying everything, but can't guarantee anything. So let's look at some of these alternatives. So what we have is the Autel Evo and the Autel Max 4T. Evo is looking at about $5,000, $5,500 for a thermal version. Max 4T is around $9K. We also have the Skycatch Explorer 2. This is similar to the M300, but uses Skycatch software. So it's a DJI drone with US-based software. And that one is special right now, $9,500 for the airframe itself. Obviously, if you have the payload and stuff like that, but let's just say it's about $10,000. Here is the FLIR Cyrus. This is a great product, the amazing thermal camera on it. It's got the FLIR MSX. This is about $10,000 with extra batteries, a backpack. So this is a great bundle. The bundle we're selling also includes our hub as well as a beacon for this. Now you have the Skydio X10. Another great option. This one's starting about $18,000, goes up to $30,000 depending on your software needs. Amazing platform for automation, scanning, obstacle avoidance. So US made, NDA compliant option. This is the Sony AirPeak, about 9,000 base, but you have to put a payload on it. The one we have here is made by Aerial OGI. This has the FLIR Boson on it, as well as the ILX camera. This payload is about 18,000, so you're looking at maybe 25, 28,000 for a thermal version. If you just get the ILX on the AirPeak for basic mapping, you're looking at about 15,000. This is a great option for just, the ILX camera is a 61 megapixel camera, great for mapping, great alternative. You can fly at higher elevations, so the flight time on this is about 20 minutes, which people say is limited, but because the camera is so much better, you can fly at a higher elevation. So once again, great mapping drone. This one is called the Terra X-Cross 1 indoor drone, available unfortunately not until the first part of next year, made by a company in Japan. It's going to be about $2,400. Whoops, $24,000. Take that back. So it's about a third the price of the Helios, which is it's got the LiDAR unit on it. Great option for indoor use. And we also have the Hera back here, big airframe. This is NDA compliant, made in Vietnam. And the setup we have for public safety starts around $50,000, where you get thermal, RGB, drop system, speaker spotlight. So anyway, just want to let everybody know about some of the options that are out there, but please be aware, the customs isn't going to solve itself anytime soon. Hopefully I'm wrong. So thanks again, and enjoy the rest of your year.